Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make pumpkin punch. Yes, so this is my pumpkin, and guys, do not get the pumpkin from your supermarket. These ones sell in your Caribbean shop or your African shop, okay? And this is what it look like, and this is the amount that I'm gonna use. Here I also have just 1/4 teaspoon of my allspice and 1/4 teaspoon of my cinnamon powder. I also have some nutmeg right here and some vanilla, 1 tablespoon, some condensed milk and Nurishment, okay? You can always use Suplegen. And I'm gonna add 1 dragon stout, and you can always use Guinness also, yes. So I just cut my pumpkin in two, and now I'm just gonna show you guys on how I peel it. If you want, you can always use one of those peeler. I'm just gonna take my knife and just cut it like this. Because you know pumpkin, guys, is so hard to cut. I don't like to cut pumpkin. As I said, you can use the peeler as well. Just take your time and just peel it off. So now I'm just cutting my pumpkin, and you want to cut it like around this size, not too big, okay? So all my pumpkin is all cut, and I also wash them as well. So now I'm gonna boil my pumpkin. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, now that my pot is on my stove, and my stove is on a medium heat, so I add at least just over 2.5 cups of water, and I add hot water, okay? So now I'm gonna add my pumpkin. And you're just gonna allow your pumpkin, guys, to get nice and tender, soft. I'm gonna allow it to boil maybe just over 20 minutes or so, but I will show you guys when it finishes, okay? This is totally optional, but I'm just gonna add just a pinch of salt, not a lot, just a pinch. There you go, that's it. Then I'm gonna give it a stir. I'm gonna cover my pot, or just half cover it so it doesn't boil over. So stay tuned. So my pumpkin, guys, is finally finished. And it's been cooking, guys, I would say for at least 15 minutes. Yes. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is nice and soft, but still a bit firm. So this is exactly how you want it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna allow it to cool, okay? Yes. I'm gonna turn my stove off. So guys, my pumpkin has cooled. So now I'm gonna blend it all up, okay? But I'm gonna use my hand blender to blend it. If you want, guys, you can always use the normal blender. So I'm just gonna add it to my bowl. And I'm gonna add at least 1 cup of the remaining water, that liquid that leave back. So now here I have my hand blender, guys. I'm just gonna blend it up now. So guys, it is nicely blended. As you can see, it is nice and smooth, and this is exactly how you want it, so that's perfect. So now I'm gonna add all my spices. And I'm gonna grate my nutmeg, and I'm just gonna grate just 1/4 teaspoon, okay? Not a lot. I'm gonna add my condensed milk. And my Nurishment. And my vanilla. Guys, I wish you could be in my kitchen. I'm telling you, it smells so good. Then I'm just gonna take my hand blender and just blend it all up. So now guys, I'm gonna add my dragon stout, and I'm not gonna add all of it, guys. You wanna give it a stir. Look at that. So I'll leave back this amount, okay? I didn't add all of it. I'll leave back just, I would say just 1/4 cup. Yeah, I'm telling you, it looks so good, and you can always taste it to your liking, but this is exactly how you want it. So here I have my glass, guys. So I'm just gonna add some ice. I love a lot of ice in my drink. So now I'm gonna add my pumpkin punch in my glass. Look at that, guys, it is so rich. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. So guys, what I'm gonna do to my next glass, I'm gonna add some whipped cream with my pumpkin punch. It is totally optional, but trust me guys, if you try it, It's gonna be so delicious. Your whole family is gonna enjoy it. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Please, if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.